In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to block someone on Instagram if they have already blocked you. So I'm going to open up Instagram and demonstrate this for you. So let's just go and find their profile here real quick. Let's just say this is the account that blocked me. The first thing that you would want to do is, because you don't have access to that account on your main account since you blocked, okay, what you want to do is you want to hit your profile icon, hit the hamburger icon at the top right hand corner, and then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on log out, and then click on log out. Now you will need a secondary account to do this. So once you logged out, you can go ahead and go into your secondary account. I'll go into this one right here, and then what you want to do is you want to search for that account. So tap on search, and then you want to type in that account name, and then you want to click on the profile, and then what you want to do is you want to hit the three lines and then click on block. Okay, and then click on block. Now what you want to do is add this account to your account center. So how you do that is you go back, hit your profile, hit the hamburger icon at the top right, and once that loads, you want to click on account center, and then it says scroll down and click on manage accounts, and then you want to click on add accounts, and then you want to click on add Instagram account, and then you want to log in with that account. Now when you log back into your main account and you go to your block list, it's going to say recommended to block that account. If you go into the blocked, it's going to say you may want to block based off your account center, and then you'll get the account listed here. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.